Hello and welcome to Leon's Laptop. It's not a picking video today. It's parcel day today. Ooh, I got this big, heavy parcel. It came from BlackDolphin90. Please check out the guy's channel. The guy's an absolute star. He does some really good videos. Got some good content. Yeah, go check him out. Subscribe to him. Give him some support. Let's get this opened and see what he's put in there. And May as well, your parcel will be sent on Monday morning first thing. As soon as I've done that, I will email you the tracking number. Just give us 1 second. Let's find the easiest route to open this. I think we've got one. I've not opened this before. I do apologise, you can't see anything at this moment. I'm just opening the box. Try to not ruin the boxes because I do like to reuse them. Do you know what though? I think there's many of us. There we go. There is many of us who reuse these boxes, and I think half of these boxes have been around the world, if you know what I mean. Right, let's see what we've got. Wow. Right, box is empty. We've got a lot of stuff. Oh, sorry about that, I just dropped the box. Oh, let's see what we have got. Oh wow, I certainly weren't expecting some pics. Oh, they're crazy, them. They're cool. No chess pieces on them. Oh, fantastic, mate. Oh, that's absolutely awesome. Oh, thank you very much. So we've got... Aha! Well, I feel this dodgy rubber bite lock. Do you know what, though? I do like doing bite locks. Like to show people that don't waste your money on certain ones. A bit big to get on the camera, that, but... trying to see if there's an in name on there. Delta Sport. That is rubbery. Let's have a look what we've got. What is hiding in here? Very nicely packaged up as well, my friend. Oh wow, yeah, yes, I've heard about these. These little Chinese locks. That's cool. That's cool, my friend. That's cool. I like that. Oh, definitely a disc. Definitely going to be a disc retainer, this one. Ooh, it's a dimple disc retainer. I've never picked a disc retainer. Well, a dimple lock disc retainer I haven't. Dimple locks I have picked, but not a disc retainer. Let's see what else we got here. Wow. So that is for this. Definitely. And it's got a slide bar in it as well, which I've never picked this type of lock yet. That's going to be really interesting too. Thank you very much, mate. We got here. I like that key. That should be an interesting pick. Lift it up a little bit, maybe. Stretch my arms out a bit further away, then maybe we get a better. Oh, challenge locks. Fantastic. Let's have a look. It's a Trickmaster 30. I've had plenty of Trickmasters. I like betting on that. Trickmaster's locks. He makes some absolute fantastic locks. He's definitely what have we got here? We've got another kick, and oh no, pinned by West Coast Picks, fantastic. I think of all maybe I don't have many West Coast Picks locks. I did win the medical from him. This is another kick. That is fantastic. Oh, do you know what, mate? I saw you pick this the other day. As well, I watched a video. Well, I watched most of your videos, but I watched you do this. A garage door, and it's a wafer lock, isn't it? Oh, that's cool. That's cool. So something different. Tiger. Oh, that's nice. That's a cute little lock. Cute little padlock. Oh, that's very nice. Oh, bitting on that. That's pretty cool. That's a nice little padlock. Thank you very much, my friend. I'm going to save that back to put the 2 challenge locks back in there, so I don't want to mix them up. What else have we got? It's looks like a cabinet wafer lock. Like all keys. And is it double? Because I've not picked a double-sided wafer lock yet. It's always been single-sided, I think. It's a single-sided. Still got me cold, it's driving me mad. Something's just been attacking me, whatever was spiky. Whoa. That's a tubular one, and that is some serious abuse. Heavy duty, man. That's something that's seriously had a good beating, that. Wow. What else have we got? Ooh, let's go another padlock. Oh, bugger, dropped it. Tessie. It's a combi. Should be a interesting pick. Do you know what? I'm going to mix it up anyway, just in case he left it ready for opening. We'll see if we can find out the numbers on that. And last but not least, this is in its own box. Let's get my knife. Okay, let's not get. Oh, there we go. Try to find the knife. It's disappearing. Fingers and thumbs today. Definitely all fingers and thumbs. What have we got? Ooh, a Zone Hardware. Oh, like that. That's very nice. That's some weight. Reminds me. It actually reminds me a little bit of the Dimple Master Lock padlock. Just in feel. Oh, that's fantastic, mate. What a great haul of locks there, mate. I just don't know what to say. Especially with these beautiful set of picks, which funny enough, I'm going to plastic dip these handles, keep them nice and clean. Fantastic, absolutely love everything you just sent me, mate. Like I say, your package will be down there on Monday morning. I will send it straight out to you as quick as I can. I have cut myself on your on this thing. Stab me. Well, yeah, I'm sort of lost for words, mate, because I do with most packages that people send me, because I was so grateful for the stuff that gets sent me. It's unbelievable, and this I do like. This is cool. Well, please check out BlackDolphin90 challenge. So it's BlackDolphin90. He's a great lad. Give him your support. Thank you very much, mate. Absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna get checking out some of these locks, and hopefully we'll get some videos up there soon. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and bye. Don't forget to like.